Hello, collectors! Today is back to the Japanese again. Now, I got a bunch of these packs still to do. And I got a few more Surgeon Sparks. So we'll slowly, eventually, hopefully get through all these with some more good hits. Final card of this pack. Oh, a holo. I don't think I have this one yet. Funniest part is I'm getting a lot of doubles in this set. And I mean a lot. I think you do get a lot of doubles in the Japanese. I haven't really been pulling too many heavy hitters. EXs are very small and in between. So one from the back. Let's hope this one has a hit. Non-holo. But that's okay. We'll get them into the binder anyways. Once I have the binders sitting the right way. Okay. Let's do this. Just so you guys can see. Number 2. Perfect. Number 5, I already got. Number 3, I already got. Anywhere? Nope. Okay, next page. Marrow, I already got. 29. So it is 26, 26. I'm only missing one card on page 2. Slowpoke I already have. Number 36. Ooh, we did need number 36. Let's see if I can move this. There we go. Just adding number 36. And I got the 2 earth types. Fighting types. I don't know why I said earth type. Oh. We're getting there, guys. And then 56. We did need. Oh, wait. I almost forgot about one. 55. Woo. We did need the holo. So another 2 pages with just one missing. And then, yeah, still a lot more cards to go. But we are working on the Snow Horizon. Or Snow Hazard. Yeah, Snow Hazard. Then we'll get the Surging Sparks packs done. I am done with the 151. I'm just going to buy the card once I have enough money from selling all my doubles. I'll buy the card. Done with trying to open up packs to get to it. I'm wasting more money trying to pull it than I am just going to buy it. So I'm down to that option now. And 151 is so hard to get. It's like near impossible right now. So gotta do what you gotta do. I will complete the set. I might need another month to be able to complete it, but I will complete it. Other than that, I just gotta find more cards. It might be more Japanese, might be English. I don't know yet. I am looking. And I'll keep you up to date with what I find. So, from Treasure Tracker to you guys, have a great day. Have some fun. Enjoy your time. Bye, guys.